Hello guys, it's your girl Cynthia and I'm back with another video. Okay, so guys, in this video it is just going to be a travel with me vlog and also a travel with me vlog slash university vlog. Yeah, so I don't want to spoil the video by explaining too much because you need to stay tuned and watch everything. However, now I am like packing. I'm in the middle of packing my stuff, my suitcase. Yes, and this time's travel vlog is not gonna be like last time's travel vlog. For those that know, you remember like last time's travel vlog was like ugh. But anyway, I don't want to talk so much. Let's go and get packing. Already started packing like a little bit, and please don't mind the background. It's like a lot going on since I made the mess. But anyway, let me start packing. I already started like putting in a few of my clothes and stuff, so let's get to it. Let's start packing. So these are my shoes. My I put them in those like packets. So these are the shoes. I already like put them in this packet here. And my Crocs, my heels, and some of my other stuff. So now like everything is in a bag, but like I didn't like pack it properly. So like now I need to like pack it properly so that it will be enough, so that it will fit in the bag and not just be cramped up. So yeah,
all these sexy girls in the club, up. You see all these sexy girls in the club, up. Oh girl, I wanna order you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you sing. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. We in this party, put your body on me. Girl, I want you to know the things I wanna do to you. You're a bad girl, you know I need that girl. Girl, I know I'm feeling you. When you touch it, when you rock it, you're so spiritual. When you rock it, I reverse it. Girl, I need it all. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me.
guys, these are my so guys, these are my packed bags. Only 2 bags. See, just my suitcase with all the clothes that I need, and my laptop bag, and then I'm gonna carry my handbag, my one and only handbag. So it's like my suitcase, my laptop bag, and my handbag. Those are the only bags that I'm carrying. I'm not carrying like a lot of bags now, just a few bags. So let me prepare for the next preparation, and yeah.
Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. stress me, I'm on the way right now. What's up? Show myself a job. I need to be power. Now we don't make you later.
Osman.
I'm a little sometimes I feel like a gunner in my head. It feel like a gun. Okay.
Görsek mi adayı?
shampoo stain. Fuck up the vibe, my dick start running like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV, that one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's nothing, jump my banana. One side I like and no stopping, push up, fuck that. Start up the halaga, cause you know that my people they can lag on. Oh, good on my power, as I hate it on us, but we my yama. I be my father's son, cause you know that I come from Potako. That's why I'm a jago. Start on the dance, I'm a dadu. Go need a lago, I go show you the bounce and the lago. Cause I be city boy, and as I day for the street, they give me joy. I'm broken me boy, put them on Jesus and I'm running me dust.